Hi, Adam Small here from Agent Sauce, and today I'm going to show you how to use the broker listing log feature in the Agent Sauce broker dashboard. As you can see, I'm already logged into the portal and I am on the dashboard. The broker listing log is located on the far right side of the dashboard. We have our 10 most recent listings here. And this is basically just a snapshot of information about the listing, the agent, the status of the listing, the price, that sort of information. Now, if you want to see more than 10, if you want to see the whole listing log, you can click on the magnifying glass right here. And this brings us to the screen here, which shows us 8 listings at a time. And if we want to, we can browse through those listings just by clicking the next and previous buttons down here at the bottom of the screen. And you can see, depending on the listing, you may see the photo, you may not. You may see the global luxury indicator, you may not. If you wanted to search for a particular listing of some sort, you could come up here to our listing log search bar and just start typing an address or perhaps an MLS number, something like that, and your results get filtered down. If you wanted to search by, say, bedroom, bathroom, price, that sort of thing, we can use the filter button over here in the upper right corner. And then we just select the value of the criteria that we want. So we want a minimum of 3 bedrooms and say 2 bathrooms. And our results get updated. In addition to that, we can also export these results. We can click on the first button here, which is export the shown listings, which is only going to export the 8 listings that are shown on the screen here. Or we can click on the lightning button and that will export all of the listings that are in the listing log. And that is how we use the listing log in the Agent Sauce broker system. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at info@agentsauce.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.